Hello all. In this video, we shall see how we can use Google Forms to make online tests for mathematics and other mathematical subjects like physics, chemistry, accountancy, etc. So let us start. So here I am in my Google Drive and I shall take a new Google form. So I'll change the title here like maths sample test. Click it here, so it's now the test is has got a title. Now I'll change the settings. I'll collect the emails and limit the response to 1. Then I'll make this form a quiz. When we make the form a quiz, then the form starts collecting the marks, or it becomes gradable. So we'll save these settings. Now I shall not explain everything we have to do with the Google Forms like I have explained it earlier in the previous video. So we shall start adding the mathematical questions. So I'll just add a question. Now we have to add like solve the following. So suppose we have to give an algebraic expression to solve. So what shall I do? I'll go to a site known as codecogs.com. So I'll write it here, CODE, codecogs, so equation editor site. So we'll have an online equation editor. So here it is. Now I'll type my equation like 2x. So I want to give it square, then I'll add plus. Now 3x, again I want a square. So you can see that this expression is coming down here. Now I want to have some fraction in this, so I'll click this fraction thing. Now I'll type like 6 6x, and then I want a square. So now this is the expression that I want in my Google form. So what I will do, I'll just right click over it. Now it will be showing that copy image address. I'll copy this address. Now I'll go back to my Google form. Here I have to insert an image. So I'll click insert image, then I'll do it by URL, then I'll just paste it. So here is my expression. Now I'll insert image. So I have the equation here. So let us see how it looks in the preview. So this is how it will look in the preview or in the question. Now let us say, now next question, let us say we have to do it from geometry. So we can write our question whatever it is. Now again I want a image. So I can click on the image icon. Now this time we shall search the image from the net. So I'll just write down a circle with radius, I say, let us say. So we have the number of images here, whatever we want. Like suppose this is the image that we want. So I'll insert the image. So we have these circles with the radius and other things shown here. So in this way, we can complete the question with the given diagram. Now suppose you are not able to find the required figure on the Google search. You want to add another figure which you have already drawn using Google Drawing or Paint or whatever. So you have the figure saved in your computer. So you can do that as well. So you can upload the image. So I have a figure in my computer. So I'll do that. So I'll go to pictures. Then here I have this image. So in my computer I have this image. I'll click this and I'll open it. So I have introduced this image which was already saved in my computer. So in this way we can do the mathematical equations, or we can do the download the image or figure from the net, or we can even upload the image which is already there in the computer. Now suppose if we are making a paper for accounts and we want to add a table for the question. So again, there are many ways. We can save the table in the image tag in our computer, or we can download it. So I have saved an image of a table in my computer, so I can open it. So I have this question statement in the form of a table, and I can complete my question by putting options or writing statement. So in this way we can use it for accounts as well. Now suppose if we have a very complex type of question statements in which everywhere there are equations and the expressions which cannot be introduced by using quad cogs or any other way, then what we can do? So what can we can do? We can take the screenshot of our question paper and we can insert it as an image. So I have this question paper here, a part of question paper which I've typed in um, Microsoft Word. So I can just take a screenshot of it and I'll put it on the Google form as a picture. So I have taken the screenshot and it is there in my Google Drive. Now, how can I do with it? Now I'll go back to my Google form. So I'll add a question again. Now here I'll add a image from the Google Drive. So here I can find my screenshot in my drive and I'll just click it and I'll insert it. So here I have my test questions in my form, but here I can see that these options cannot be clicked. So what shall I do? Now we'll make this question a checkbox grid. So when we have a checkbox grid, what happens? I can give, suppose there are 10 questions in this image. I can give one, question number 2, 3, 4, 5, say 6, 7, 8, 9, 9. Then we have 10. Oh, I skipped it here. So I just cross it. So it's done. Now we are making a grid. So here I'll write A, B, C, D. So I'm done. I can add the answer key as well. So I'll make it 1 point each. And I can add answers to it like this. Could be, suppose these are the answers which we are adding in the test. So it's done now. So what we have done, we have, instead of typing one question at a time, we have given so many questions, maybe 5 or 10, along with the answer key. Now let us see its preview, how it looks like. So this is how the algebraic expression looks like. Here we can have our geometry question, or we can go with the accounts question, and then here we have a complex question, and here the answer key looks like this. So the student, suppose this is answer number 2, so he can read and solve it and just click it to write it in the answer key. So these are some other options that we can use to make the Google tests when we can't do it in the simple way. So that was it. I hope it will be useful for you all. Thank you.